Moving your muscles, girl. Oh, great. That gymnastics you did when you was young pays off.
Mama, the nerves. You said that?
Yeah, I already know what he said. He said it earlier today.
You did?
Yeah, when he was gone. I would have ran to you and told you, but no, he said it like 7 times. Because he was, because Izzy kept touching him and then he was, Izzy kept touching him and then he was yelling at that.
Praise, I'm the one who's spinning it. I'm the one who let it go deep enough. I'm not getting paid enough for this.
Hey, I'm taking you with it.
You can get paid $5.
Take you with it. I think he threw up on the couch.
I shouldn't be paying you to clean up, Heaven.
But this is not my space.
Your space, my space, everybody. As long as you live all over my roof.
Space is upstairs.
Okay, just can't keep cleaning upstairs though.
But this is
You gotta come downstairs and clean.
to clean the fridge.
This is nasty. I can make better ginger beer than this. Refrigerator is clean. Good job, Heaven. Proud of you. Can you tell my kids eat a lot of peanut butter? Them kids love them some peanut butter and jelly.